In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually earn free money through Coinbase. Now, this is money that you can also withdraw. I've made roughly around $10 using this method, and through this video, I'm also going to continue to do it so you guys can see me earning. According to Coinbase, you can make upwards of $30 using this method. I will actually go on to talk about someone who also used this method and made some money as well. So make sure that you do stick around for that. And for those watching that are into print on demand, with this free money, you can actually use this to reinvest it into either Etsy listings, Etsy ads, or eBay ads, depending what you are doing your print on demand with. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print on demand shops. Today we're switching it up, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money through Coinbase. It's something I've not really done before, but I have to make this video because it's free money that you guys can make. If you do go on to enjoy this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button with the notification bell switched on, as that will keep you updated with my videos in case I do make another one of these videos. And if you do happen to be new to this channel and you don't know what print on demand is, down in the description there's a free print on demand starter guide as well as a paid print on demand starter guide. That's all down there. Check them out whether you're trying to do this part-time or full-time. If you don't have Coinbase, or if you don't know what it is, I will have a link to Coinbase in the description. Once you're on there, you need to make sure that you create an account and that you verify your account so they do know that it's you and no one else can access your account. Right guys, so now once you have your Coinbase account created and it's been verified, you now be able to earn rewards, and this is where you can actually make money. And to go on to that section, you click on earn rewards. But before I do that, I just want to say, next to this, obviously, you see it says $26 plus. This shows the potential that you can earn. When I first started, it said $30 plus. Since then, obviously, I completed some quizzes, did a few things, and I've been earning through this method. And the good thing about doing this is once you click this, it shows you obviously how you can earn and which coins you can earn through. So you can see there's the graph, you have new cipher, you have compound, and you have CeeLo. What this pretty much means is every time you click on one of these boxes, you either be shown either a video or you either be shown a little article, and it will be followed by a quiz. Now, this doesn't take too long. In fact, it shows you how long it takes to complete. So here it says 1 minute, on this one 1 minute. So if you think of it, you're pretty much earning $1 a minute for this one. Let's see if there's any challenges where you can earn more. This one, you can earn $3 in 3 minutes, and obviously doing this will earn you a little bit of money up to the $30 region. The money comes to you in the form of a coin, and with these coins you can withdraw the money. Or if you want, let's say if you have $5 in one coin, $5 in another coin, you can actually send all those amounts to one coin and then withdraw it from that one coin. But as we go through this video, I'll show you guys how to do that. Right guys, so I'm going to start off by just clicking on one of the boxes here on the graph that says what is the graph. So this is what you do. So I'm just going to click on that. It will load up some information. So here you've got like a mini kind of article / explanation of what the graph is. So I'll quickly read through this and then obviously I'll answer the quiz. Right guys, as you can see, the question here is what information is indexed by the graph. Now, after reading through the short little article that explains what the graph is, I know the answer is blockchain data. So when I click on that, you see a little tick and it will say you've earned whatever coin, in this instance GRT, which is the graph. If you click next lesson, it will take you onto the next question that's related to the graph, and you will earn the maximum amount of coins you can earn from this, and then it will take you over to the next coin, if that makes sense. And once you click next lesson, it's the same thing again, just reading through these little articles to make sure you know what to actually click on when the quiz pops up. Once again, same as before, if I click on the answer, you see you've earned $1 GRT, and we'll go on to the next lesson. This is the next question. Once again, you click what you feel is the correct answer. I'll click on this and you see, boom, I've earned another reward, and now I've completed all the GRT challenges and I have $3 in GRT, which I can add to my portfolio. I'll quickly show you an example using Compound. And I say an example, but I'm literally just doing it live for you guys so you can see that you do earn from this. So this one, they're actually showing a video. So I'm going to just quickly listen to this. And then obviously I'll make sure that I'm selecting the right answer. What's the key benefit of using Compound? So earning interest on your crypto. Let's just click. Let's see. I might be wrong. Let's see what it says. Bam, it's the right one. Once again, I've watched through a little bit of the video. I know the answer is the first one here. So supply a crypto asset as a collateral. I click on that. Boom, we should get a tick. Another $3. And the last question, as you can see, says who gets to decide the future of the Compound protocol? After watching a little bit of the video, I understand the answer is comp token holders. So I'd click that and then we should get a tick, and that's $9 earned from the comp token. I'll complete the rest of these in my own time, but I just wanted you guys to see how easy this is. But once you do this, you'd want to then withdraw your money. That's probably the most important part of this, because what's the point in earning if you can't withdraw? I hope you guys can see this clearly enough, but we have Stellar Lumens, Compound, and the Graph. These are the 3 coins that I completed challenges on. As you can see with Stellar, the amount that I've got has gone up to £8.08, mainly because the coin has actually increased in price. It's just increased in front of our eyes. As for Compound, I've just done that. Same with the Graph. What I'm going to attempt to do is to put all of the rest of this into Stellar. So I'll take Compound and the Graph and I'll throw that in Stellar, and then I can show you guys how to withdraw it from there. Right guys, this is what you need to now do next. So you'd want to click on the coin, and then you'd want to click on buy and sell, and then scroll over to the convert option. Once you click on convert, you want to change it from whatever coin you're on to whatever coin you want to go on to. You just click on this option and it'll allow you to select the coin. Now it's showing me my GRT balance here is £2.20. So I'll type in £2.20, and we see here it allows me to convert all of it over onto Stellar. So I'll preview, and then I'll get the job done and then convert now. Boom, and that should now be in Stellar. And I'll do the same with Compound as well. Once again, same process. So you just put the amount, 655, preview, convert, then we get that over onto Stellar. Boom, done. Now if we look at my Stellar, you guys will see that there's £16.76, which I can now withdraw to either my bank account, PayPal, or whatever I have linked up to my Coinbase. And if I was withdrawing, this is what I'll do, guys. So here I'll be putting the amount that I want to actually sell. Once you sell it, you can then withdraw it afterwards. So what I would do here is put something like £16 to see if it will allow me to convert that. So yep, it's allowing me. So preview sell, it will show you straight up that there's a Coinbase fee of putting it into your GB wallet, and this is what I would actually get out. So if I was to click sell now, this is what I would get, and I would be able to withdraw. I'm not going to do it at the moment because I'm just going to probably let this sit on my Coinbase account. I usually like to watch the markets to see which coins are going up, going down, and I usually put money into coins when I buy the dip. And one bit of advice I would ask for you guys to take from this is that if you are looking to do these challenges, check to see how the market is doing. You can do this by going on coindesk.com. When you do that, if you're seeing a lot of coins are in the red, then do these challenges, because it will mean that you will get your coins in the cheap, meaning not too long after they could potentially rise. And I just want to give it a quick shout out to Strad. He actually made a video talking about this on his channel as well. But if you do go on to do this and you're not already on Coinbase, please do join through the link in the description. It does help the channel out. It won't cost you anything to do that. If you've made it to this point of the video, please comment down in the comment section, I am trying this, and I hope that you guys can take your earnings and invest them into something to hopefully even increase that further. But yeah, that is it from today. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.